so is Coach Swift.
Hope we win. If we win, I will never stop crying the rest of my life. Because Coach Morris at the beginning of the season was like, you guys have no chance. Like, you don't even have 60 people to put on the varsity, and now we're both. Ha. Same thing with swimming. Our boat is called the King.
Taking.
So our favorite thing to say is this is not it. I'm gonna go stand by the
Okay, so they're next, and they're in lane 3.